Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Su Vega, your feng shui guru and paranormal expert. Horoscope. Today is Sunday, June 9, 2024, and it's still the time of Gemini, from May 21 to June 20. Plans to be executed or done. It is quite suggesting that anything that you begin with must be finished. Or how will you be in a place where there is so much things to be done? Ang ating pong horoscope ngayong araw na ito ng Linggo, June 9, 2024, ay may kinalaman sa pagkumpleto o pagtatapos. May mga bagay na inumpisahan na maaaring hindi matapos. Kaya nga, sa daigdig natin ngayon, dapat nating pakatandaan na kung gagawa tayo ng isang bagay ay dapat pakatapusin natin to para mapakinabangan yung nasabing project